know that moment when you think your retainer, dentures, or aligner is clean, but something just doesn't feel right? Like it looks okay, but the freshness just isn't there? Yep, been there too. And that's exactly what led me to try out this Ultrasonic Retainer Cleaner with UV light. Now let me tell you what this is, why I love it, and how it works, in simple terms. Because I don't do complicated. So what exactly is this? It's a sleek little device that uses ultrasonic vibrations plus UV light to clean your dental gear, jewelry, mouth guards, even makeup brushes. And listen, it does way more than a quick rinse under the tap. That 45 kHz ultrasonic action, it's like giving your stuff a tiny bubble spa that breaks down gunk and grime you can't see. I'm talking real deep clean without scrubbing, soaking overnight, or dealing with mystery smells. Let's talk usability. It's got 3 cleaning modes, 5, 8, and 10 minutes. I love that I can press one button and walk away. Plus, it has a little LCD screen so I know how much time is left. I use the 8-minute cycle most days, and for a quick refresh, that 5-minute mode is clutch. The UV lights, game changer. 4 of them, tucked at the base, add that extra boost for peace of mind. But don't worry, it's smart. The UV shuts off automatically when you open the lid. Safety first, okay? Another fave? The visible windows. I can literally see what's going on during the clean, which I personally love. Plus, it has little side cutouts so even your toothbrush or makeup brushes can slide in perfectly. No crowding, no awkward angles, and cleanup so easy. This has a detachable base and drainage ports, so dumping the water takes 2 seconds. No moldy corners, no fuss, just clean, dry, and done. Overall, if you're someone who wears dental gear, keeps jewelry looking fresh, or just wants a super easy way to maintain hygiene without chemicals or elbow grease, this is it. I'm telling you, it's become a staple in my routine.